Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope it's alright. I hope that during the COVID-19 pandemic, we will all be able to live healthier lives to increase the body's immunity to avoid the pandemic. Okay, here I will try to explain the essay that I have given in the field of plantation, and the title is Manufacturing of Organic Fertilizer Compost from Canned Feed. Let's go, guys! The problem related to farmers at this time is the price of chemical fertilizer, which is expensive when the planting season arrives. The continuous use of chemical fertilizer makes the soil hard and barren, disappearing microorganisms and earthworms, thus disturbing the balance of the ecosystem. Now farmers have started to realize this condition and are starting to switch to using organic fertilizer that are environmentally friendly and can make their own using material that are easily obtained from the environment around them. The manufacturing process is uncomplicated and it costs less to buy chemical fertilizer. Solid waste include bagasse, dust from burning boiler dregs, solids from laboratory analysis, bloating, and drops. Gases waste include flue gas and SO2 gas from the refining reactors stacked by cultivation method. The sugar factory waste needs to be carefully and safely protected so as not to pollute the environment. Next, bagasse is a solid waste product from the sugar mill's grinding station, produced in an amount of 32% melt sugar cane. Bagasse can also be said to be a convenient product because sugarcane bagasse is mostly used directly by sugar factories as boiler fuel to produce energy for processing purpose, which around to 22 million tons per year to 97% of pulp production. The rest, about 0 to 3 million tons per year, lives on the factory land, causing air pollution, bad views, and odors around the sugar factory. Sugarcane bagasse contains water, sugar, fiber, and microbes, so that if it is built up, it will experience heavy fermentation. Next, blotong is a solid waste product from the refining station, which is produced about 3 to 8% from melt sugarcane. This waste is mostly taken by farmers for use as fertilizer. Some others are dumped to cleared land, which can cause air pollution, views, and unpleasant odors around the land. Meanwhile, sulfur dioxide is a waste gas that comes out of the sulfur reactor during the refining process of sugarcane juice, causing air pollution above the factory and the use of sulfur to be higher than normal. Drops molasses as was at the processing station is produced about 4% of mild sugarcane. Sugarcane drops are used as a companion product because most of them are used as raw material for other industries such as pizza, to produce supplements, alcohol, or spiritual, for export from communities in the manufacture of discouraging because the drops are not selling well, or it allows an explosion in storage in the dry tank due to process condition or composition. The final result and the duration of composting really depend on the material to be composed. The properties of the material that affect include nutrient content and CN ratio, particle size, aeration, porosity, humidity, temperature, and pH. For ISRON 2008, the raw material for baggage charcoal that has been mixed with blotong or leadok has a soft texture and easily solidifies, less aeration, so it is necessary to add the harsh charcoal of other organic material which increase the porosity of the material. In addition, the nitrogen content in blotong or leadok is low, so it is necessary to add livestock manure, goat and cow to increase the element nitrogen. Okay, I think finish for my presentation. I hope you paham dengan apa yang saya berikan, and thank you.